Yeah.
Me at home, mother's good friend, Santa.
Santa, all right, buddy. Take care. One love all the way. Yeah. Hey, may get this coconut for pig by. That little say you go let you go for a couple minutes. I'll pass back, okay? Alright, take care. So I'm gonna drive down here and this is old Bee-Hive road by. Uncle Sammy! Want to buy? Huh? Everything alright? My pass back, my go down and may come back. Now Uncle Sammy. Roderick them used to live here. Little man. That's a little man them outside. Yeah. Coming down here especially because for decades I haven't come down here, and you know, if you go straight here, that's where we used to play the cricket. Straight here, and my brothers them. Alright, everything alright? Yeah, I'm gonna watch the cricket today, boy? Yeah. Huh? That Raymond, boy? Yeah. One buddy. Everything alright? Yeah. Raymond and we used to play the Supreme ball, boy. We used to have the Supreme, not the hard one I play with. That's the white ball I play with now, right? Yeah, we used to play the Supreme. But I come past it 2 years ago and get them my ball. He brought a son, I think it's Mikey. Mikey by them. Yeah. Macaroni dam, he good for drive down? Alright. Take it easy, man. Let nobody tell about me, man. Donkey. Hi. Who said that, boy? Which one I said that? Yeah? He's who now? Who's your parents? Babe, alright, my babe doing good. Who for time answer you? Geico. Anan, alright, boy. So go down here. Here, one of my old cricket partner. One of the best innings. Licks. I got strokes. Let's see me come pass by and say hi and, you know, some sort of upliftment or something, you know. I remember Bee-Hive verses and more, I think. Uncle Earl! One boy! We see the bike king size out of there. Are you there on here? Alright, buddy. Go down here. Where Licks live? A green? Great. I'm gonna go say hi and see you know. Hi, buddy. Take it. That's baby brother, Uncle Oral's son. Yeah, this is by the top part of the fall. And they had to make X amount of runs. And Licks and Uncle Paul from Greenfield going on bad by. Now, boundary, you know, man. Just singles running between the wicket. You understand? Where is it? Hey, Tibo used to live? Keiki? At this house? That's my partner, that's my classmate. Keiki, Osric. Yeah, Yuzu. Oh, Keiki knees, you see? Where the boy there used to score for me? Big Ed or Fat Ed or Timo or something like that? In the front. Alright, tell Donkey say hi. Robbie, alright. I'm going to see Licks little. Yeah. Now you Licks the boy? Alright, let me keep going. Dennis! See them how we bored out there, boy? How you do? Paka! Everything alright? How your next sister? You not another sister? Are you alone? Or a brother somebody? No, no, Paka, you bored foot, right? Bored foot. Alright, everything good? Alright. Uncle Rufus used to live here. This house here. And Margie. Marjorie used to live in one of these houses. Marjorie! Paper! Alright. Hey, you want to start? Alright? Why? Me I look for you, why? Your cousin or somebody will come help me out. Will I walk a little?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll pick up a cup of water one for me.
No?
Yeah, you down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
That's alright. That bike will help me out.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, right? Take
Yeah,
it. Hey, Chucka still there? Alright. Oh, okay. Chucka. Uncle Rufus' grandkids. Hello. Hey, one way. Don't give me a touch, man. Come. Oh, you know, come, man. I a big boy now. I don't want a school book and so. I don't want a school book and so. Eh? Hey, why? The uncle, the Chucka mother. The Chucka mother. Or, no. Leonard Seymour mother. Musa mother. Right? What am I name? One mother. Yeah, I remember this boy. Show a thumbs up, man. 2 years ago when I come and he had some good school supplies. But man, I don't want to come this time, why? Why am I get big? I don't want to come this time. Everything alright? Yeah, that's Uncle Rufus' grandchildren, right? So you know, me niece, right? And yeah, it's third cousin. Yeah, Uncle Baby granddaughter in the Cranbrook there. Yes. Well, I'm waiting come. I going back tomorrow, boy. Yeah. Where I come to give you? What you want? Eh? If we give you something, you got part of it with them on do. Eh? Alright, let me see what we got. Yes! We're going. Huh? Share with all your cousins there, right? Yeah. Come on, Jay, a couple of days. Me no. You come back now. Where are you?
My sister.
Your sister. What girl or a little one?
Girlie.
Girlie.
Unity.
Oh, she the Unity. Oh, okay. Everything. What Uncle Rufus?
Uncle Rufus.
That Uncle Rufus' daughter, boy. Right? Yeah. That Uncle Rufus' daughter. What do you think? It's today the wrong, eh? Yeah. That Uncle Rufus' daughter. Is everything alright? Are you going and... Yes, shaky them and petto them and savo. This is a new girl. She from that village. She not from village. Yeah. So everything alright? Gray? What's how you wanna get down gray, boy?
Where you go?
I'm going to a little video little and then I come out back. A lot of people don't see videos inside them street this, you know?
What do you mean video?
My video. On YouTube.
And now what your video, what you do with this video now?
No, I split it up. You never see them by this?
This
2
is
years
son
ago.
for son.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
Me will still give them to this man.
And Pepper.
Yes.
And then we come and give them books. But this time they come, who you got your grandchild?
This is Sabi data.
Oh, one of your daughter. Oh, okay. Yeah, chocolate, you can still flick.
My chocolate still a flick by 3-4 day chocolate flick. Yeah.
What you got there?
Chocolate the Panama, but me not have problem with them.
Yeah.
You go drink, but you want music.
You want music?
You got to get
Me
the
see,
music.
maybe in the camera can see doggy.
Oh, got doggy, yes.
Yeah,
doggy.
everybody, you know, let's just see everybody say hi. Yeah. Emma, these are your second cousins in Bee-Hive. Alright? Yeah. So, I'm go down here and then right over. Alright? And I want to see the legs, you can make your strokes.
Yeah, but you feel empty barrel.
And the lady, a Bee-Hive will give you.
Yes.
Mm.
Me and I just travel one time, but me not travel back to you.
Yeah, you gotta do your little thing, man.
Yeah,
Right,
man, yes.
Yeah. Alright.
Tell Chucky you ask your man.
Yeah. Alright.
Right then.
Take care. Your son come and help me out though.
Which one?
But you're just gonna have a bus.
Oh, Tony?
Yeah, he come and help me out at the yard.
Oh, alright, John.
Alright, right? Musa, how Musa? Alright, tell Ravi say hi. Tell me cricket captain say hi. Alright. Take care, everybody.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Let me go down more of the dam here. All right. So this is almost, well, you can go down more. Uncle Paulo used to live over here. Those of you familiar with Uncle Paulo, Sandra, Annette, Bayo, everybody. Yeah. There's somebody for Raymond. A Raymond face, right? Raymond's sister, yeah. Yeah, I see them by play good cricket. You son them, right? Alright, Raymond's son them. Yeah. Oh, okay. But now Uncle Paul, how's this? Yeah, who live here now? Oh, so take it. So still Uncle Paul at them house? Oh, that good man, and take care of the place. Let me hear if you remember. Yeah. Yeah, that is Gopal. Gopal's son, yeah. Yeah, he died, yeah. So me become Gopal because all the grey beard and thing. So we get grey for me gotta do DNA, not my father, yeah? she doing good. She overseas. Hopefully she can come. Alright. I'm going back here, so we keep going down here again. I don't think I ever drive down here. But this is the last part of Middle Dam Bee-Hive. Yeah? Shot girl! This was Uncle Clear. Yeah. So Uncle Joe and Shot girl lived on the back here, so. But we talk sometime. But you know, this is a new territory, right? I don't think I ever came down all the way at the back here. I know these houses, but probably know the people. So this is the farthest you can go. So those of you who are familiar with the area, especially Bee-Hive people, this is the farthest I can go with this car. You can't go farther than this. But that one used to be a drain. Like you can go through here between Santa Estate and go all the way around and catch back Bee-Hive where we normally do gardens. Mom, you alright? Morning. I know you don't know this thing with all these grey beard. Paper man, we used to sell paper through here. Yeah. Margie them and all them things. How's everything good?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice pouring leaf I get, man. How we can get some of the pouring leaf? Yeah, go. Not Lenny da? Lenny want buy your shag? Morning, sir. We thought you'd up so by licks. Huh? Hey, they are right there, boy. You know who talking to you? So at least we know Lenny. Lenny at the back here. Hi, Redo. Your face is annoying. Mark! Yeah, I know Mark. Me know your sister too.
Yeah.
The lights here, Mark. Oh, Mark, they're back here, so?
Yeah, he live over here.
Over here, yeah. I know you're not in Seldam.
Yeah.
Well, you know Amo them,
Yeah.
what them girl name, Amo, and all them girls, Nalini.
Nalini, yeah, from back street.
Yes,
Yeah.
we know you. Misuka Swami.
Okay.
Yeah. Mark, alright?
Yeah, gotta walk.
Alright, Lenny Bambode. Hey, you know who talking there, right? The shag.
Yeah, Bush.
Yeah, Bush. Nice to see you, man. I see your sister them.
Okay.
Now I'm my Rudy and another one.
Yeah, Baptiste.
Yeah. You still there in shape, boy? Yeah? You still there in shape? So what are you doing? Everything alright? Farm in the back here. I tell my viewers then, right? We get camera there, right? They have the little canal through here. People used to pull a boat and go around and catch Bee-Hive. Right? You black up. Me remember Uncle in the man through Greenfields going to clean the place. You know who export them for Jagar. Jagar man to clean the whole place. Now it can clean for a long time, right? If you clean it, you can at least you gotta drive with boat and all this kind of thing. All them trench must be black up and stuff, right?
That one's so clean.
That one clean. Oh, okay. But see lick still. and then I shut out back.
Okay, okay.
Everything good?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, buddy.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, when we can turn back from the bridge, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let me turn back. Because it's the farthest I could go by. Alright. Alright, Lenny. Take out the mark me pass it. Alright. So this is a little difficult turn here, but we're gonna make it, don't worry. We're gonna make it. Yeah? Alright, this is a narrow bridge. Alright, let's head out back. So those of you from Bee-Hive, like I said, especially, this is for you, right? Coming back through the street. Yeah, so going back out Bee-Hive now. One partner. A there Bee-Hive here. A there Bee-Hive. Where was the man there?